Is we here? What's poppin', people, and welcome back to the channel. It's your man Jimmy V, and if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am a serial entrepreneur located out of Los Angeles, California. I am a licensed real estate professional, DRE number 02115853. I cover everything from real estate to TV and film. If you are returning, shout out to you. I appreciate the love. As always, if you like this content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm trying to get to know the YouTube algorithm, and the YouTube algorithm trying to get to know me. On today's video, I'm giving you 5 mistakes that for sale by homeowners are making on their listing. Let's get into it. Number 1, professional pictures. It's 2022. There is no reason a listing online today should not have professional pictures. If you have a simple iPhone, which I'm recording now, it takes a decent picture. So no listing should not have professional pictures, or at least clear pictures. So when somebody clicks on the listing, they can actually see what's going on inside as well as outside of the home. Make sure a professional photographer is hired so they can take professional pictures, because they know what they're doing and they're gonna make your listing stand out from the other ones that don't have professional pictures. 2, not pricing the home correctly. In today's market is a completely different market than it was last year. Realtors were specifically pricing homes strategically low so they can start a bidding war when it comes to offers. If somebody follows that same strategy in today's market, they're gonna fail. It's a completely different market. It's not a seller's market anymore. We're transitioning into a buyer's market. Not pricing the home correctly is gonna do one or two things. One, the property is gonna stay on the market because it's overpriced. Or 2, the property is priced too low and you don't get its full value of the property. It's very important to do market research to understand what comps are within the area and what property sold for, so you truly understand a right price to list the property. Number 3, not decluttering the home. When you don't declutter the home, it makes the home look stuffy. Okay, it's not giving the next buyer the proper visual that they need to envision themselves in that home. How can you expect to do that if there's toys everywhere on the floor, if there's piles of magazines everywhere on top of countertops? You're not giving the home a chance to properly sell. Make it look as neat and clean so the next owner can visually see themselves in that home and start to visually put where they're gonna put their things. And that's what you want to do. Number 4, neglecting to make necessary repairs. You might want to repair this, you might want to repair that, you might want to tidy that up. If you sell the home sold as is, then you're gonna get an offer that is sold as is. When a buyer comes and puts in their offer, and then when they go to do inspections, and then they start to notice this repair, and that repair, they're gonna A, want a seller credit for those repairs, or 2, they're gonna want the seller themselves to repair it. Now, what you don't wanna do as a seller is allow the buyer to choose what vendor that they are going to hire in order to make those repairs. Because once those repairs are done, it's gonna fall back on the seller's lap, and now they have to pay. And it might have been cheaper if the seller just took the extra step to make those repairs on their own dime, and they don't have an issue with it when it comes to negotiations. 5, not working with a realtor. It's a real estate professional's job to understand the market and understand the neighborhoods and understand the pricing. The issue when you don't go with a realtor is you don't have that expertise, you don't have that knowledge, you don't have that guidance backing you when it comes to making choices to selling your home. So there is a greater chance that you may, once again, undervalue the home. So it's very important to use a trusted realtor that understands the market and a realtor that can truly guide you through the process so you can net the most for your home at the end of the day. Because isn't that what it's all about? You want to make sure you walk away from the home with as much cash in your pocket. And the buyer obviously wants to purchase the home at a fair market value that they are going to like. If there are any realtors watching, please comment in the comment box your thoughts on this topic. I always love to hear it. In the meantime, in between time, you do your thing, I'll do mine. It's your man, Jimmy V. I'll catch you on the next one.